Well, hello there. I am here to show you a couple of my favorite products, mainly the Flex Plus Immersion Blender. But before I get to that, I am going to move this pot of chowder that I am making. And by the way, I am loving these little grips, silicone grips, so that even though the handles might be hot, I am not burning myself. All right, so let me show you how to use this super snazzy Flex Plus immersion blender. Remember, the Flex Plus is a 3-part system, and you get all 3 parts when you purchase it. And this is one of the pieces. It's the immersion blender. So we've got the rechargeable battery. So notice this is cordless. It's rechargeable. When you get it, it comes with 2 batteries. So when this one starts to go dead, you just grab your other one that's already charged and you pop this on the charger and it's good to go for the next time. And so this is the power handle, and it goes with all 3. It goes with the immersion blender, it goes with the food processor, and it goes with the hand mixer. And so today like I said, I'm using the immersion blender for this amazing, silky smooth corn chowder that I'm making. So I just popped that on there, just slides off and on, which, by the way, this whole system is dishwasher safe, except for obviously the charger and the handle, the power handle. Everything else is dishwasher safe. So we're just gonna go ahead and pop that in there. And if you've never seen this before, there is a power button on the bottom side, and that's just kind of there for a safety feature in case kids got a hold of it, they're not gonna accidentally cause any damage. And then we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna start. It's got these settings, so I can increase the speed, I can decrease the speed, however I need to. And I'm doing this in the Brilliance cookware. This is my Brilliance stock pot. And that way, and it's not going to harm the bottom of your nonstick pans or anything like that. And you can just do it right inside your pot. Now, this is wonderful for soups, but you can use it for much more than soups. You can make dressings and vinaigrettes and all sorts of fantastic things. It's just essentially a handheld blender. And so, so it's very, very, very handy. All right, and this retails for $329, the entire system, but you don't have to pay $329. You can get this for half price when you host a virtual party, and I can definitely help you with that. So that is the Flex Plus Immersion Blender. Looks like my soup is pretty much all done. And so I'm just gonna add some cream, some cheese, all the good stuff, and we're gonna eat it. So, all right, we'll see you soon.